Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Selena Vidos. Here on YouTube I do golf content, jewelry making, jewelry beads, jewelry showcasing, and fashion or cultural experience and advice, or social outlooks. Today I'm doing the Rocksbox unveil. It's for the month of January. Today is January 31st. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. Alright, so I just opened it. Looks like they have a new return label application. It's got its own little type of bag with the scan routine. Last time it was just a sticker. The box here looks like just like last month's. Looks like they don't really change it. Maybe it's just curated for you and they do the same box, but actually I think this one's different. We'll have to check, but it looks really similar to like last month. So the box is reusable, recyclable, and made in the USA. And then Sheila Patel is an American-born South Asian creative, inspired by traditional Indian block prints and modern design. Her intricate illustrations merge old and new aesthetics. You could view more of her work at SheilaDesign.com. I'll go ahead and put it in the link. Okay, taking a look inside of the package here. Wonder what 3 things are inside. Gonna open this like this. I have this nice little jewelry care reminder, like last time. Gold and silver plated, demi-fine or 18 karat gold in this box. Sterling silver or gold plated. Here comes in a little wrapped package with a cool sticker for Rocksbox. Looks like I have my dog. I love you too. I have a Sierra winter jewelry collection. And I have 2, again, Rocksbox collections. One of the first boxes here. I'll open this. Ooh, looks like it's a ring. It's a cool ring. Let me see. So it's an 18 karat gold plated dome ring. It's $63 and it's a demi-fine. I'm a size 7, so I went ahead and told it my size. Looks pretty nice. Looks pretty classy, clean. I'd probably buy this. $63. Okay, got a cool ring here. That was in one. The other little Rocksbox little package. Let's see. This one here, it's an 18 karat gold plated, beaded chain. We have a gold plated 18 karat dome ring and a gold plated beaded chain. Last time I curated the items and picked them before it was shipped. This time I didn't. I was a little busy, so I had no idea what this box was going to be. I'll go ahead and pause the screen and put it on. So the beaded chain is cute. If you look closely, it's got little knots on it and it's all the way around. That's what it kind of looks like. It's simple. It's not really that bold. Because it's gold, I could see myself wearing it. But again, it's your preference. So if you'd rather wear something a little bit thicker, you can. Gold almost goes up like with everything if you're not allergic, or if you like the color itself, or compare it to silver and prefer gold over silver. Some people wear both gold and silver. Haven't gone around to doing that yet. But I'll go ahead and take a picture in another angle. It looks nice though, especially with the ring. You gotta have those rings. If you don't have a ring, I don't know what you're doing in life. You gotta have a ring. Rings tell stories. Okay, and lastly, looks like I got Sierra Winter jewelry here. And I dropped it. The Sierra Winter is a deco earrings in gold vermeil and white topaz. This one is $133. This necklace is $67. The ring is $63, 18 karat gold plated. And then yeah, with white topaz and deco earrings, the Sierra Winter brand is $133. Oh, it's kind of cute. It's simple, it's linear, it's got a triangle. It's got another thing going on with it. So white topaz, that's pretty cool. Maybe I'll wear it to work today. As long as I don't lose it, because if I lose it, that means I pay $133. Yeah. So maybe you can see it. It's cute. It's got like 3 shapes into one. Again, it's white topaz. It's beautiful. It's gold, I think. Let me go ahead and go in. I'd wear this every day. I think it looks good on all face shapes maybe. I just got new bangs like 2 weeks ago, so kind of trying to rock with the bangs, but they're simple, they're cute, they're also out there without saying too much, so I'd say it's a yes. They're pretty cute. The back end of these, they're pretty strong, as in you'll put it in with the earring again, and there's like no room for it to go away, so it's pretty safe wearing these. I feel like it's not cheap on the back end either. Just something what you want if you don't want to lose jewelry. And I think that's about what sums the whole experience here. We have a gold-plated, 18 karat gold-plated. We have a beaded 18 karat gold-plated necklace. And then we have deco earrings in gold vermeil and white topaz by Sierra Winter. I think it looks pretty cool. Let me go like this. I'm totally wearing all this to work today. I can totally rock these little accessories here. Again, it's Rocksbox, $20 a month. You can either pick your preferences, or you can be surprised every month that $20 goes to one accessory that you get to buy, or more if you'd like to spend more. But you get to try it out, and if that's the one for you, then you can use your credit which is the monthly subscription. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and visit my website, Layla Dove Journeys, for my own custom seed bead jewelry and clay soon, golf content, golf tips, cultural outlooks, mind, body, health, and also belly dance, which will be more content shortly. Thanks for watching. Bye.